Hi, everyone. I'm Dhanushka here. Today I'm gonna share the progress and the learning from the sprint tree of our project. Before going to in details, I will give you an brief idea about our project. Let me share the screen first. All right. This is a sprint tree retrospective. The project of team air quality monitoring and alerting system. Our project company is Ararat City Council. Our client is Mr. Phil, Mrs. Melanie, and Mr. Glenn. Our supervisor is Dr. Venki Balasubramaniam. This is actually sprint 3. The duration is 1 month, starting from 15th September 2024 to 15th October 2024. As you can see here, in our sprint tree schedule, I have been responsible for the most of the part of the this sprint, especially the front-end development for dashboard and reports, system integration, system testing, validation, and bug fixing. This is my contribution for my sprint tree. This is the first task is the front-end development and for reports and dashboard. I have transformed the initial wireframe designs into functional UI components using Power BI. It involves integrating real-time data which displays the air quality index effectively to our client. Also, I developed a web-based admin module using PHP connected to our MS SQL Server database, ensuring displaying the embedded Power BI service and face of the user management of the system. In here, I used my skills, designing and development skills and database management designing skills. And I used the technologies I used for this development: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, PHP, MS SQL. For the web pages development, I use the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here I'm glad to say that I delivered the admin module on time and adhering to the guidelines and exceeding the expectation. When you're talking about the next task, system integration, especially database and store procedures and front end. System, I have integrated the MS SQL stored procedures which are used to generate email alert and calculate AQI values. Here I use my skills, SQL Server database management. And the sad thing was my AWS free tier service reached the limit and I had to stop that service. So we have already, as we already finalized our database, so we could able to manage it finally. I have uploaded the AWS the database the previous way, really. And after finalizing the database, we could able to manage with our two developers. And the glad thing is I would able to restore the backup easily. I took it from the other developer, the store procedures. So the backup files, when the restored backup file, all the store procedures display properly and work perfectly. The other part is the system testing and validation from the assurance for reliable product. We conduct extensive functional usability interface and cross-browser and device testing. So I have used my skills about testing and quality assurance skills for this. And I will show you here is the dashboard that I've been developing right now. So I still am working on that. If you need to show the exact working background, the Power BI. This is my Power BI project, and in here, so the client can able to get at a good insight when looking at this dashboard. It shows the current overall AQI average, current elevated alerts, how many alerts currently generated by the system, what was the last alert that being generated, what are the active, how many sensors actively based on the in that alert area. And this is also hourly base air quality, last 48 hours air quality uh, levels, and the otherwise categorized by the location, and so much of things. And still I'm working on that, and I would be able to finalize within next week, and we can go with the finalize the project. And also I can show you the user management system that I have been developed using the PHP and MS SQL. So I have to use the MS SQL Connect connector to connect these PHP and MS SQL, because PHP usually working with the MySQL. So that crucial part I have done. So you can see just how the system is work. The client can see the user whole details, and if he needs to edit the system, it's easy to edit, and it shows here. Look, you can see if someone need to remove the user, it's the system can facilitate to delete the part, as well as when I can show you the database backup that have been restored here. It's once I restored the other developer backups, it shows clearly this sensor practice database, and it's clearly shows that the store procedures that she has been created in here. These are the store procedures. So as you can see here, it's very easy to hand over to the client in this backup. Just we can get the backup, and we can hand over the project likewise. So that's about uh, the presentation that I have been going through here. And this is the dashboard that I said. This is the user management part. And that's all about the our project. Thank you for watching.